How to update Facebook app on Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Play Store. And once you do that, navigate to the Facebook app. Now, as you can see right here, there's a button next to the Facebook app that says update. It usually says install, but now it says update. Even if you navigated to the app page right here, you will see that there are two buttons, the uninstall and the usually install button. But now it says update, meaning that there's an available update for the app, in which if you click on the update button, it will start downloading and updating your Facebook app. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can update the Facebook app on your Android phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.